Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to install Microsoft Visual Studio 2017. You can start by doing a quick Google search for Visual Studio 2017. It should pop up as one of the first web hits. Ensure that the web link reads https://visualstudio.microsoft.com. Download the community version of Visual Studio from the left-hand dropdown. Save the network installer file to your computer, or you can choose to run it immediately after download. The installer application will then go to Microsoft servers to download Visual Studio 2017. Since we are learning how to code in C++, we only need the Desktop Development with C++ module for Visual Studio 2017. Stick with all the default options. The installation will take quite a while, so make sure you have strong Wi-Fi and a full battery.